Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off Cash App notifications. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and make sure you're on the home screen. Next, tap the profile icon in the top right corner to open your account settings. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you see notifications and tap on it. Here, you'll see several options like push notifications, text messages, and email alerts. To turn off notifications, simply uncheck the box next to push notifications. You can also toggle off any other notifications you don't want to receive, like updates, stock alerts, or Bitcoin alerts. This way, Cash App won't bother you with alerts you don't need. Once you've made your selections, exit the menu. Your Cash App notifications are now fully turned off. And that's it. That's how to turn off Cash App notifications. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.